Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the Corsair Virtuoso and power it on because low battery interrupts pairing. Next, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and keep it visible. This ensures the headset appears immediately. Put the Virtuoso into Bluetooth pairing by pressing and holding the power button until the LED alternates blue. This tells you it's discoverable. Once done, maintain close proximity and avoid other active Bluetooth devices so the phone finds the headset quickly. You tap Corsair Virtuoso in the phone's available devices list and accept any pairing prompts. This completes the initial handshake. If your phone asks, grant permissions for audio and call access so sound routes correctly. Make sure the headset is selected for both media and calls in the device details. If the phone shows multiple Corsair entries, pick the one indicating audio or media. Once paired, play a short audio clip to confirm both channels are active and adjust volume from the phone. You finish by checking audio quality and enabling any advanced features in Corsair iCUE Mobile if available. This lets you adjust EQ, sidetone, and mic gain. If connection fails, make sure to toggle Bluetooth off and on or choose Forget Device and Repeat Pairing. This clears stale pair records. As a last resort, reset the Virtuoso by holding power and mute for about 10 seconds until LEDs cycle. This resolves firmware hiccups and returns you to a clean pairing state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.